Hello and welcome back to Direct Health and Fitness. Today, we're diving into the world of post-workout meals, specifically designed to help you build those lean muscles and fuel your gains. So, let's get started with the ultimate guide to post-workout meals for building muscle. First up, protein-rich foods. Consuming protein after a workout is essential to support muscle growth and repair. Studies have shown that ingesting 20 to 40 grams of protein seems to maximize the body's ability to recover after exercise. Eating high-quality protein within the first 2 hours after a workout may stimulate your body to create the building blocks for new muscle tissue. The amount of protein you need after a workout will vary depending on your age, gender, size, and activity level. However, aim to get at least 25 to 30 grams of protein after your workout to stimulate muscle protein synthesis and optimize muscle growth. Protein intake should be evenly distributed throughout the day instead of being consumed in large amounts in one sitting. A post-workout meal with protein and carbs will enhance glycogen storage and muscle protein synthesis. Consuming a ratio of 3:1, carbs to protein, is a practical way to achieve this. Good sources of protein include chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and protein powder. You can also try having a smoothie with berries, avocado or nut butter, and protein powder, or a protein shake made with banana, whey protein powder, and milk. Remember to include a variety of whole food sources of protein at each meal to support muscle recovery and growth. Don't be afraid to indulge in complex carbs. Complex carbohydrates are a great source of energy for your body, especially after a workout. They are digested more slowly than simple carbohydrates, providing a steady stream of energy to your body. Good sources of complex carbohydrates include whole grain bread, brown rice, sweet potatoes, quinoa, oatmeal, and fruits and vegetables. Consuming complex carbohydrates after a workout can help replenish glycogen stores in your muscles, which can help you recover faster and perform better in your next workout. Aim to consume 1 to 1.2 grams of carbohydrates per kilogram of body weight within 30 minutes after your workout to maximize glycogen synthesis. Pairing complex carbohydrates with protein after a workout can also help stimulate muscle protein synthesis and optimize muscle growth. Don't forget about the power of healthy fats. Healthy fats are important for overall health and can also support muscle gain after a workout. Including healthy fats in your post-workout meal can help slow down the digestion of carbohydrates and protein, providing a steady stream of energy to your body. Good sources of healthy fats include avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, and fatty fish like salmon. It's recommended that 20 to 35% of your daily caloric intake come from healthy fats. Consuming a moderate amount of healthy fats after a workout can help support muscle growth and repair, but it's important to not overdo it as fats are more calorie-dense than protein and carbohydrates. Pairing healthy fats with complex carbohydrates and protein after a workout can help optimize muscle growth and recovery. Now, it's time to refuel with vitamins and minerals. Vegetables are a great source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health and can also support muscle gain after a workout. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are particularly rich in vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, and vitamin K, which can help support bone health and muscle function. Other good sources of vitamins and minerals from vegetables include sweet potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes. Consuming a variety of colorful vegetables after a workout can help provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support muscle recovery and growth. Aim to include at least 2 to 3 servings of vegetables in your post-workout meal to help support your overall health and fitness goals. You can try adding vegetables to your post-workout meal by making a salad with leafy greens and colorful veggies, roasting vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots, or adding veggies to a stir-fry with lean protein. Hydration is key. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can also support muscle gain after a workout. Dehydration can lead to decreased performance, muscle cramps, and fatigue. It's important to drink water before, during, and after your workout to stay hydrated. A good way to determine your hydration status is to check the color of your urine. Lemonade-colored urine is a sign of appropriate hydration, while dark-colored urine indicates a deficit in water. Consider drinking 1 cup of water for every 15 to 30 minutes of intense physical activity, especially if you are sweating profusely or are training in a heated environment. Replenishing the fluids you lost while sweating as soon as you can is even more important than eating right away. If you want to be at the top of your game, you need good hydration, a meal of complex carbohydrates the day before, and a high-protein diet after. While on the sidelines, athletes should drink both water and sports drinks like Gatorade, which have electrolytes and potassium to help them recover. After the game, athletes should eat a high-protein meal that contains poultry, meats, fish, or legumes to repair muscles. Remember, proper nutrition after exercise is crucial for maximizing muscle gains and promoting recovery. So, make sure to fuel your gains with these post-workout meals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our fitness community for more valuable tips and tricks. Stay strong, stay fueled, and see you next time.